Merchant of Venice. Act 1, Scene 3. Venice, a public street. Shylock. You want 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio. Yes, sir. For 3 months. Shylock. For 3 months, let me see. Bassanio. Antonio will be surety for me. Shylock. I understand that he will be a guarantor. Bassanio. Will you help me? I will be highly obliged to you if you tell the answer. Shylock. So you want 3,000 tickets for 3 months and Antonio will be the guarantor. Bassanio. Yes. Shylock. Antonio is a wealthy man. Bassanio. Have anyone told you that he is not wealthy? Shylock. No, no. What is mean is that Antonio's name is enough. However, his business is at great risk. He has a ship in Tripolis, another in the Indies. I heard at the Venetian Stock Exchange that he has got another at Mexico and the fourth one is England. He has scattered his business around the world, but they are mere planks of wood and sailors are ordinary men. Just as there are robbers on land, there will be pirates in the sea. There is also the danger of the storm, wind, and rocks. However, his name can itself be the guarantee, and I can give 3,000 ducats in his name. Bassanio. So, may I think that you will be able to lend me the money? Shylock, I would like to think about it. I would like to speak about Antonio first. Bassanio, sure, you come dine with us, Shylock. So you want me to dine with you and have the small pork, eat that pork? Where Jesus put that devil into? I will do business with you, talk with you, walk with you, but I shall never eat, drink, or pray with you. What news you bring from Rialto and who is coming here? Enter Antonio Bassanio. Here comes Antonio. Shylock. He looks like a miserable person who serves the people. I hate him because he is a Christian, and I hate him more because of his foolishness. He lends money free of interest and thus lowers the rate of interest in the money lending business. The day I caught hold of an advantage in him, I will take my revenge against him. He is against the Jews and abuses us. He openly abuses us in the Rialto. He abuses me for my hard earned profits and calls my profit interest. Let my tribe be cursed if I ever forgive him. Bassanio. Shylock, can you hear us? Shylock. I am calculating the money I have at present. I am sure that I don't have the full sum, but never mind, I can borrow that from Tubal. But wait for many months. Do you need the money for? We were just talking about you, Antonio. Although I don't lend money or borrow money at interest, if I borrow money, I need it because my friend needs it, and by doing so, I am breaking my own rule. To Bassanio, have you told Shylock the amount you want? Shylock, yes, he wants 3,000 ducats. Antonio, for 3 months. Shylock, so you want money for 3 months for which you need to sign a bond because I heard that neither you lend or borrow money at interest. Antonio, yes, I have never done that. Shylock, when Jacob took his uncle Laban's sheep to graze, his mother made a plan, played a trick for Jacob to become the heir. Thus, he became entitled to the family interest. Antonio, how did he do it? By taking interest. Shylock, no, he did not take interest directly. He made Laban to agree that all the sheep with strips on bodies would become Jacob. Thus, Jacob succeeded in his plan, and it was a profit for him for serving his uncle. Antonio. This was a prize which Jacob got for serving his uncle. He profited because it was planned by God. Did you tell this incident to make an excuse for charging interest? Shylock. I don't know, but just like Jacob acquired sheep, I can also acquire money as fast as I can. Antonio. Look at him, Bassanio. The devil can take the help of Holy Scripture for his benefit. He is an evil man and talks about holy arguments. He is a villain who smiles, has a rotten heart, and tries to look holy from outside. Shaila, 3,000 ducats is a huge sum of money and you need it for 3 months. Let me check the rate of interest. Antonio, Shylock, we will be indebted to you if you lend us the money. Shylock, Antonio, there had been many times in the Rialto you have abused and scolded me because of my money lending business. I have tolerated and suffered it without saying a word. To suffer with tolerance is a characteristic of you, and you also called me a non believer. You called me a merciless and you spat on my Jewish cloak. You did all this because I used my own wealth to earn profits, and now you have come here for help and ask for money. You are the same person who spat on my bread. You kicked me like a stray dog out of your house and now you request for money. What should I tell you? Is it possible for a dog to lend money? Can a dog lend money? Or do you want me to bend low like a slave and whisper saying, Good sir, you spat me on Wednesday and pushed me the next day. You also called me a dog. For all these polite gestures of yours, I will lend you money. Antonio, I will call you dog once more if I need to. I will spit on you again and I will scold you again. Lend me the money not as a friend but as an enemy. For friends don't lend interest, and if I don't return the money on time, you can penalize me. Shylock. Oh, look, the Christian getting angry. I want to be your friend and have your love. I shall forget all the insults you have disgraced me with. I will give you what you want now and charge no interest at all. I am kind to make this offer. Bassanio, you are indeed kind. Shylock, I will show you my kindness. Come with me to legal officer and sign a bond for me. If you don't return the money on the said period, you will have to give me a pound of flesh from any part of your body I choose. Antonio, I agree and I will sign the bond. The Jew is becoming kind. Bassanio, don't sign the bond for me and I will be without money. Antonio, don't worry, Bassanio. I will not forfeit the bond within 3 months. Before the bond expires, I expect a business return of 9 times the value of the bond. Shylock, oh, Abraham, these Christians are suspicious people. They suspect the thought of others. Please tell me that if he forfeits the bond, what I will get? A pound of flesh. It will not fetch me any profit like the flesh of muttons, goat, and beef. I am giving you all this favor as in friendship. Take it as if you accept it, otherwise, let's say goodbye. But don't be suspicious because this is my act of love. Antonio, yes, Shylock, I will sign the bond. Shylock, then meet me at the legal office. I will give him instruction regarding the bond. As for me, I will go to my house to get the money since they are not guarded carefully. It is with an irresponsible servant. I will soon join you. Antonio, hurry up, Shylock. This Jew will become a Christian if he is kind. Bassanio. I don't like the offer made by the villain. Antonio. Don't worry and fear because my ships will come back a month before the date of the expiry of the bond.